Happy Vlogmas day 2, you guys. And happy Thanksgiving, actually. Happy Thanksgiving. I just got to my workout at the Burnout Body. We're doing a 90-minute workout, so let's go. Aloni post-workout, drenched. You guys, look at me, I'm all wet. I'm wearing the new Set Active set that I showed you guys yesterday. Whew, 90 minutes was very hard. I think my body really knows when the hour mark is up, because my body just decides to give up on me. I'm gonna go upstairs now. I'm going to shower and I'm going to start on what is that? Oh, and I'm going to start on the banana pudding and the rest of the stuff that I need to make for Thanksgiving. I just took a shower. The first thing I'm going to do is make my sweet potato casserole. It's not really a casserole, but I call it a casserole. It's sweet potato that I bake with marshmallows, and I have these really cute dishes. I'm gonna do 2 of them because we're having 25 people over at my parents' house. So I wanna make sure that I can fill both. What I already did before I left for my workout is I peeled the potatoes. I had about 12 sweet potatoes, and I boiled it, and once it finished boiling, I added butter and I just mashed it. Now we're gonna transfer to the KitchenAid. I'm going to add a couple of things like cream and more butter and cinnamon and so forth. Transfer. I'm going to do it in 2 batches. To the potatoes, we're going to add some salt. Lots of cinnamon. We're adding lots of cinnamon. Adding in a little nutmeg, just a little bit. Adding that much butter, because remember, it already has butter. Heavy cream, just eyeball it. Depends how creamy you want it. I don't know. I use about 1 whole for 2 batches, sometimes more. You guys are getting behind the scenes. I'm recording for TikTok and for you at the same time. Eating an empanada. I had a little problem. So the pudding that I made for the banana pudding, for some reason the mixture didn't get thick enough. I don't know what happened, because I always do it the same every time I make it. I don't know. So I'm having this, okay, and take 2 Jello, vanilla flavor. So 5 puddings total. So I just basically, because I need to make this dessert, so I'm Instacarting, paying a crazy fee to Instacart a few other things, but to Instacart me some just ready-made Jello pudding. Do they have one that is not sugar-free, question mark? If not, don't worry about it. Just take that one. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay. I'm taking some hot boiling water, just adding it in a little bit. Okay, lock that in. And let's get to stirring. The next ingredient is a little bit of maple syrup. I'm also adding a touch of smoked Moldal salt. You don't have to do it if you don't like smoky flavor. Let's pause it, give it a little taste, make sure the texture is good. It needs more salt. More maple and more cinnamon. Don't forget we're gonna have marshmallows on top, so it's okay if it's salty. I'm going to add a little bit more hot water just to help the texture. Once we have our desired texture, we're going to clean this off every little bit. I'm going to use these baking dishes and transfer everything in here. William came to help me do the marshmallows, except he doesn't want to do it because he wants to eat them. So we're using this brand, Jet Puffed.
Буду. Я Галя не ест, видишь?
Я жду,
пока мама не сделала. Можно съесть? Ты, наверное, уже прилипло у тебя там. Постой. Тут по многу-то толкать нельзя. Все, это не буду давать. Все.
Это мне.
Это не тебе.
Уже поел.
Это не тебе.
Дай еще. Дай
Нет.
еще.
No, you already had
Маленький
three.
кусочек. Вот, на. Все. У тебя там склеилось уже все. Он сегодня не выпрашивал мармеладки, я ему сказала, опа, склеился.
Okay, it's done. I'm going to put foil paper over this and take this to my mom's. We're gonna get there a little bit earlier so we can pop this into the oven. I didn't record this for you guys because my hands were in gloves covered in fish oil, but this is the cold smoked fish from Solve Kitchen, and this is the cold smoked tuna. I pre-sliced everything, which I'm going to plate 15 minutes before we leave. I'm making the whipped cream now for the banana pudding. Okay, the cream looks good. I realize I have not recorded since I've made all the food. I am recording a TikTok video on my makeup, but I made all the food. I have like statue lip stain on, and I blow dried my hair, curled it, hung out with the kids. Liam just woke up from his nap. So that's kind of what I've been doing. Trying to get ready. I need to leave earlier before the kids. I'm gonna leave in my car. And Aloni's gonna bring them because I have to take some of the food over. But we have to go plate the salmon. I actually want to show you this. I think is the best nude, better than Hush. Not Hush, better than. I actually forgot what the statue stain is. I think Hush is Wonder Skin. Yeah, I think Nude it's called. But this one is 01 True Nude. Look at it. It doesn't even look like I have anything on my lips. It looks like my natural lip. I love it. Wow. Here are the fish platters that I made. I plated them. Aloni just helped me load in my car. So hopefully none of the food will spill because I have this like rubber mat in the back. I'm on my way. The kids are dressed and he is gonna go upstairs and then leave with the kids. Okay guys, here's table 1. It's not fully set yet because we're waiting for everyone. This is table 2. So pretty. There's my little contribution. She has a bunch of yummy salads here. Something like cabbage. Delicious. Okay, here's the banana pudding that I made. Some fresh fruits. Looks delicious. 2 cakes.
Being as today is a holiday of Thanksgiving, I have a lot to be thankful for. Of course, first and foremost, my wife. If it wasn't for my wife, I wouldn't be here.
I love you.
I wouldn't be in Miami. I wouldn't be at this beautiful table. I wouldn't know any of you guys. So I'm incredibly thankful for my wife. Incredibly thankful for the family that we've built together. I'm even thankful for this remodel that I was just talking about that we're going through. Even though it's causing stress and everything, but I'm very thankful for that. And I'm thankful for the amazing in-laws that I have, the amazing family that you have that has taken me as a family. And I feel very thankful overall to be where I'm at. And I wish for everyone to be just as thankful as I am. And I sincerely mean that. So happy Thanksgiving. Thank you for having me.
I did it for that. Very good to thank you for that.
A word of wisdom.
Shanatawa. Words of wisdom.
You had a good word of wisdom today.
Words of wisdom.
Words of wisdom is don't rush things before they're supposed to happen. Be patient.
Here's a turkey. God, I'm yawning and we're trying to record this at the same time. We got home not too long ago. We had such a nice time at my parents' house. There were so many people. My grandparents were there, like some of our close friends, cousins. It was really fun. My brother made the most delicious turkey. I don't know, I'm usually not a fan of turkey, but the turkey he made was insane and it was like so crispy. I loved it. I loved like the crispy skin. Yeah, I'm just tired. I can't wait to go to sleep. Tomorrow we're gonna be at the coffee shop all day. Liam doesn't have school, so he's gonna stay home. And that is pretty much it. I'm really full. My dessert plate and my fish plate was a hit. Everyone ate it and loved it. And the sweet potato casserole that I made, everybody loved as well. Even my son, which I was really surprised because he usually doesn't like sweet potato. I'm not a big sweet potato fan either, actually, and I'm not a big fan of turkey. I like the turkey that my brother made, and I usually tend to go for dark meat. I don't even like gravy. I just like it. I do like gravy, but not with the turkey. I like cranberry sauce with it. And I'm not a big fan of sweet potatoes. Sometimes I'll have sweet potato fry, but I typically don't like sweet potatoes, but I did enjoy the sweet potato casserole that I made and it was good. I also wanted to end off this vlog and tell you guys that I'm grateful for this man right here. I'm also grateful for my kids and our health and my family. And I hope that you guys all had a wonderful Thanksgiving celebration and what, boo? And just remember to be grateful to be alive, to be honest, and be healthy. That's the most important. Health is so important, yes. Right? As we learn every single day.
Absolutely.
Health is the most important. So when you have your health, you have everything. So be grateful for that. Everything else is.
You spend your whole life.
You spend your whole life
You spend your whole life ruining your health trying to make money.
ruining your
And
health
then
trying to
when
make
you
money. Uh-huh.
You spend all your money trying to get your health back.
Exactly. Catch 22. Everything's a catch 22 in life. I was just talking to your sister about that today, and I said that to her too. Catch 22.
That's why it's important. I mean, a lot of things are important, but it's important to it's important to not take things so seriously. It's important to be grateful for you have. It's important to understand
I agree.
that you're connected to a higher power, and when you take the responsibility entirely off yourself and have faith in something else, you'll learn not to stress so much. The only reason we stress so much is because we think we're in control.
And we're not in control of anything.
We're not in control of anything.
Yeah. And honestly, too, what was it that you said that half the things that we stress about never materializes, right?
I think it's more like 80% of things you stress about
Don't materialize, yeah, 80%. So, those are Aloni's words of wisdom. Remember, we have 25 days of wisdom.
A lot of words of wisdom. Don't rush things too. Be patient. You can go years without making any money, and then one year you can make, $10 million. Make up for all those years. You know? You just never know. You gotta be patient and know when it's your time, it's your time.
Yeah. Divine timing.
Trust the process, right?
Trust the process.
Like when you cook something, you can't. If it takes you an hour to cook something in the oven at 300 degrees, you can't put it at 600 degrees and cook it in 30 minutes, right?
No, you'll burn it.
The outside will be burnt, the inside will be raw.
Exactly.
The same concept.
Exactly. That's all I got for you guys. I'm going to sleep and I will see you tomorrow.